Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to update your Taco Bell account password. Open the website tacobell.com, then click Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right part of the screen. Click on the profile icon. On this page, you will see an option for Profile. Click on Profile. Here, you will see a section for Password. On its right side, you will see an option that says Update Password. Click on Update Password. On the field provided, enter your email address to receive the instructions on how to update your password. Then click on the Send Email button. The email you will receive looks like this. Here, you will see an Update Your Password button. Click on Update Your Password. Once you clicked on the button, you will be directed to this page. On the first field, enter the new password you wish to use. Then enter it again on the second field to confirm. After that, click on Update. That's how you update your Taco Bell account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.